Regular commercial HVAC service is insurance for your system instead of performing regular commercial HVAC service maintenance on their systems. Many building managers tend to put off inspections and maintenance until something goes wrong. Being proactive about industrial air conditioning service and maintenance can save on costly repairs later on in the life of the system. Not only can regular HVAC inspection and maintenance relieve the costs of small issues which have turned into expensive problems, it can also help save a significant amount of money by ensuring that the HVAC system is performing as efficiently as possible. Since HVAC energy consumption often reaches up to 40% of the energy used for an entire building, it's always in your best interest to keep it well maintained to achieve maximum energy efficiency. The most common reason given for not getting regular commercial HVAC service inspections is simply not having enough money to invest in it. Although simply not having industrial air conditioning service performed regularly can save a bit of money initially, in the long run it will end up causing more severe issues with the HVAC system which can lead to a costly replacement. A commercial HVAC installation is one of the major investments made when a building is built. Just as cars are big investments needing regular maintenance in the form of tire rotations, oil changes, and general inspections, commercial HVAC service is necessary as well. A major difference between these two investments is that most people are familiar with the maintenance that is required for cars, whereas many people invest in a commercial HVAC installation without learning about how to maintain the system. If you want this investment to last for the full expected duration of its life, it's in your best interest to learn a bit about what needs to be done to the system and when. When the HVAC system is initially installed in a building, many building managers do not take up industrial air conditioning service specialists on their offer of setting up a maintenance schedule. The majority of HVAC owners tend to believe that if the system is running well that there is no reason to inspect or maintain the HVAC system. HVAC systems are rarely visible in common areas of buildings, and this tends to contribute greatly to HVAC system owners forgetting about them altogether until the system is malfunctioning or broken. It is because of this that having a set inspection and maintenance schedule with an industrial air conditioning service company is important. You will not have to remember to set the appointments at regular intervals. The HVAC specialists can contact you beforehand to remind you of the appointment and then perform any maintenance necessary. This is the best way to go about having your HVAC system inspected, and all you need to do is set HVAC maintenance fees and the overhead cost of running your business. Budgeting for regular maintenance should be viewed the same way as budgeting for any other kind of maintenance or insurance, which can help save you money to prevent expensive issues from arising. I prefer to have my commercial HVAC service performed on a regular schedule to maintain my commercial HVAC installation. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Brian_Filioli/33320